Olive oil is an all-in-one package easily available to everyone. Everyone must use olive oil regularly because it is loaded with fatty acids, vitamins, and macronutrients. It is an easily accessible, most valuable daily use product that can do wonders to your health. Born Realist has compiled together important reasons for you to drink 1 tablespoon of olive oil every morning on an empty stomach. Try this and you will see wonders. Colon. Olive oil can benefit your body externally and internally. While olive oil might be great for your skin and hair, it is beneficial to your colon as well. Olive oil basically protects your cell from any kind of damage that might lead you to cancer. It improves your colon's working system and improves its patency. Olive oil is great for getting relief from constipation. Bones, hair, and nails. As olive oil is effective for almost every part of your body, it is most beneficial for your skin, bones, hair, and nails. It plays a great role in repairing, softening, nourishing, and moisturizing damaged hair and nails and helping them grow faster and better. Olive oil can be used as a hair or skin mask, but it works best when consumed internally. Liver. The liver is one of the most important organs of your body as it performs the essential function of cleansing all our internal systems. Sometimes the function gets interrupted and needs to go through the process of detoxification. Olive oil works best for detoxing the liver. If you want to get the best results, then you should mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with 1/3 part of lemon juice in a glass and then consume the drink on an empty stomach and see the changes in yourself. Losing weight. One benefit that would definitely make you consume olive oil on an empty stomach is the fact that it helps you reduce weight rapidly. Olive oil is full of fatty acids, which are basically healthy forms of fats, and they make you feel full and eat less for a healthier lifestyle. You should replace butter with olive oil and it would replace your fats with good fats. Immune system. Olive oil works great on your immune system, as it includes a healthy amount of fatty acids which work great on different parts of immune functioning. Olive oil helps in supporting the immune system and its regulation. Olive oil works best as a natural treatment for autoimmune diseases. Heart. For the protection of the heart, you need to keep an eye on your cholesterol. Basically, there are 2 types of cholesterol in your body. One needs to be increased and the other needs to be decreased. HDL is the good type of cholesterol and it needs to be increased. On the other hand, LDL is the bad type of cholesterol and needs to be decreased. HDL actually dislodges LDL, so for increasing HDL we need to have a Mediterranean diet plan which includes the consumption of vegetables, fruits, grains, and olive oil. Blood sugar level. Olive oil has the quality of reducing cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It should be consumed daily on an empty stomach in the morning, especially for patients with diabetes or an unhealthy cardiovascular system. Brain. Olive oil is greatly beneficial for your brain. Olive oil helps our brain with oxygen intake and the prevention of mental issues like Alzheimer's. It is great for boosting our memories and reducing the risk of having mental illnesses such as depression. Consuming olive oil daily on an empty stomach will increase your mental and physical health instantly, so you should make consuming it a part of your everyday routine.